Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I want to talk about the array method filter. So the filter method accepts a callback and returns elements of an array that meet the condition specified in the callback. So in this example, I already have the numbers array. So what I want to do is I want to have elements. I want to have a separate array that have elements greater than or equal to 5. So firstly, I'm going to create a callback. You can think of this callback as a predicate. So I'll say const elements greater than 5 predicate. So this predicate accepts a number, type number here. So if that number is greater than or equal to 5, then which means that we are going to take that element into account. Elements greater than 5. So in order to populate this array, all I need to do is numbers dot filter. So actually you can actually specify this predicate inside the filter method, but for good practices it's better to first define the predicate before using it. So I'm going to use the predicate element greater than 5. Yeah, okay. Let me expand my editor. Yeah, so let me console log the new array element greater than 5. So if I run it, you can see that I only have elements greater than or equal to 5. So I'm going to comment out this code, and I'm going to create another interface. Let's call it user. So this interface, we have an ID type string and a name type string, and also an optional email type string. So I'm going to create an array of users so I already have my users defined here. Into extraction. So one of the use cases of the filter method is actually to clean your data. For example, let's say we are getting the users from an API. You can see that the array contains objects that do not have an email. So we want to create a predicate that is going to retain all objects that is an email defined. So in order to do that, I will create the predicate like this: user with email, right, is equals to, so the predicate accepts a user type user, and it's going to say user. I will put a question mark dot email. That is to say, if the email is defined. So the question marks helps us to, in case the email is undefined, we're not going to have an exception. So I'm going to create an array of users with email. So users with email predicate here, and then const users with email. So I'm going to say is equal to users dot filter, and inside the filter I'm going to give it the predicate, or you can say the callback. So let me console log the users with email. Users with email. So I'm going to first log all the users. All users. All users with email. All users with an email. Right. So if I run it, you can see that the all users here, I have all users, and for the users with email, I only have Peter Tosh with an email defined. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. For now, bye bye.